I am so excited. I love me a good grab bag or surprise. I have never received a BeautyLish beauty bag before. I didn't even learn about these until last year. They sell out fast, so I made sure I signed up and I went in for the $150 box. They say that the $150 box will be worth at least $300. There's a smaller one, a $75 box that they say is worth at least $150. Let's see what I got. Oh, this is kind of fun, cute packaging. I can't tell what this is. Makeup brushes? I'm also not familiar with this logo. Okay. It looks like an eye makeup brush holder. Maybe some smaller like face brushes would go in here. I don't know. It's nice. It's got this kind of divider so when you pack it up, the brushes don't touch. Not an auspicious start. I'm just trying to think about travel. I guess, I mean, this is certainly, you know, slim, so that might be nice. And it comes in this canvas bag, which I guess, you know, I could put like bigger face brushes in here. It does have, you know, a device that'll keep it closed. I don't know. Okay, so, like I said, not a great start. Editing Kris here. After more digging, I found out that this is a Sonia G makeup brush holder that retails for $75. Oh, I love Vizzy art. I have a few of their palettes. I think they're really great quality, and this is one of their little quads. I love the packaging, the attention to detail, the little ribbon to open it. I think they do such a nice job. Oh, all right. That is kind of a cool color story. I will say recently, the last several months, I'm much more into cool toned eyeshadows. That's kind of a change for me. There I've swatched them, and how do they look? Oh my gosh, those shimmers. Those shimmers are amazing. I don't know how much I would use that pink, but the other three, oh, fun, easy to travel with. Okay, thumbs up for that one. Next, from a company called Holly Frog, Situational Skincare. This is the Tashmoosh Waterlily Milky Wash. Okay, this is a brand I am not familiar with. I always love finding me a good face wash. All right. There's the product packaging, which I'm used to stuff in a tube. It fits nicely in a drawer. This is not going to fit nicely in a drawer. But you know, especially this time of year, winter, when I'm running a little more dry, I might appreciate this a little bit more moisturizing wash. Okay, Natasha Denona. And of course, this reflective packaging is bashing all my lights back at you. Sorry about that. This is the Glam Face Palette. Oh, and okay, again with the lights, sorry, but this packaging is gorgeous, right? And if you're someplace you don't have a mirror, yeah, you do. But also shows every fingerprint. Oh, okay. So there's basically a 5-pan eyeshadow palette, a blush, and a highlighter. And those eyeshadow shades look like they could be used for contour. So yeah, that's a good little palette. I think the only thing I want to swatch out of here is the blush. Because, all right, so even though it looks really dark in the pan, there it is on my finger. And yeah, that is just going to be a really pretty wash of color. All right, well, all right, that's a definite thumbs up. I am excited about that. I see an Oribe box. This is the Invisible Defense Universal Protection Spray. It says it protects against thermal damage, UV rays, and pollution. I love Oribe, and I'm always looking for a good heat protecting spray, so I am very anxious to try that. That's a thumbs up. All right, these two appear to go together from a company called Mob. I am not familiar with Mob. All right, it is a tube of lipstick and then the capsule that it goes in. And once it's all assembled, that's a nice looking color. Ooh, very pigmented. I was kind of expecting to be a little more sheer, but I think I'm gonna enjoy that color. And I like that that is not going to come open in my bag. Makeup brushes. These do not look familiar to me. They are quite bright. Okay, I'm most excited about this one because that looks like a good dupe for my go-to MAC 221. That's a nice feeling brush. The bristles are soft, but they're at a density that feels like they're gonna do a good job of picking up pigment, but then also distributing it. I'll be curious to see how these perform. Charlotte Tilbury, the Easy Eye palette. Okay, I have had this palette in my cart so many times. I don't need another palette. I need a 12-step program because I'm sure I'm back up to around 100 eyeshadow palettes, and really nobody needs 100 eyeshadow palettes. But I really liked the color story on this, and there are the colors. They say it's for day eye and date eye. I might have to do a video showing a couple of looks out of this and using these unit brushes. Drop me a note down below. Let me know if you want to see that. All right, and last but not least, from Good Molecules, the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I just used up the last of my facial oils, was looking through my stash. I was amazed I don't have any other facial oils in there, so this is really good timing on this one. Well, I gotta say, for my first BeautyLish Lucky Bag, I'm impressed. I am very happy with just about everything I got. Like I said, that makeup brush holder, that's a little weird. I can't even find it on their website. So when I add up everything else that I can find, it comes out to $292. Plus, you know, I don't know, maybe $10 or $15 that brush holder does bring me up over $300. So well worth the money. This year's bags are already sold out, so if you're interested in next year's, go to BeautyLish.com, search for Lucky Bag, and put your name in for the waiting list. If you're enjoying this video, you will probably also like this one, Unboxing of FabFitFun, the only subscription box I still get. And here's my playlist with all of my unboxings.